All right, this is a proclamation for National Public Works Week, May 19th through the 25th of 2019. The title of this week is It Starts Here. Whereas public works professionals focus on infrastructure, facilities, and services that are of vital importance to sustainable and resilient communities and to the public health, high quality of life, and well-being of the people of Carson City, Nevada. And whereas these infrastructure, facilities, and services could not be provided without the dedicated efforts of public works professionals who are engineers, managers, and employees from state and local governments and the private sector, who are responsible for rebuilding, improving, and protecting our nation's transportation, water supply, water treatment, solid waste systems, public buildings, and other structures and facilities essential for our citizens. And whereas it is in the public interest for the citizens, civic leaders, and children in Carson City, Nevada to gain knowledge of and maintain a progressive interest and understanding of the importance of public works and public works programs in their respective communities. And whereas the year 2019 marks the 59th annual National Public Works Week sponsored by the American Public Works Association, Canadian Public Works, and the Canadian Public Works Association. Now, therefore, I, Robert Crowell, on behalf of the Board of Supervisors, do hereby proclaim the week of May 19th through the 25th of 2019 as National Public Works Week, and I urge all our people to join with representatives of the American Public Works Association and government agencies in activities, events, and ceremonies designed to pay tribute to our public works professionals, engineers, managers, and employees, and to recognize the substantial contributions they make to protecting our national health, safety, and quality of life. Thank you very much for the public works folks. Most frequently you see them out wearing the yellow vest. They're out doing their job. And so, I would encourage everyone to have a little understanding when we happen to close the street down for repairs or whatever, or you see people in the yellow vest working along the road, slow down a little bit and maybe even say thank you as you go by.